Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Eachine E016H. It's a little mini indoor quad. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. Alright, there it is out of the box, and you'll see that it has all the usual things that you get with these products. Okay, you got a manual. You got the quadcopter, which is real nice. Actually, it has the little guards over the props, so you'll probably never damage the props. So even though they give you the spare ones, you'll probably never need them. It would be pretty difficult. That plastic on there, it's pretty tough, so I don't think that you breaking this is going to be much of an option. You got your little peanut controller. It looks just like, you know, a bunch of them. I mean, a bunch of these quadcopters have this same exact controller. Same one. I bet you they all bind to each other also. I would bet any money they did. 502H comes to mind with this one. So anyway, you get the screwdriver and the battery charger. It's one of them little USB deals. You know, you plug the battery in, the red lights come on, and then when it charge is done, the red light will go out. You know, the extra props, and they give you 2 batteries with it. That's pretty nice. And they are little 3.7350s, 25C. So yeah, it's pretty good. They give you an extra battery in there. I'll put a link in there so you can go take a look at it if you want. I don't remember off the top of my head because I did get this a while back. I just haven't had a chance to get to it yet. I'm pretty sure it was less than $20. That's going to be a guess, but you can look at the link if you want to check it out and check the price, but I'm almost positive it was less than 20. So we might as well take it up, right? Let's fly it. Let's see what happens. Battery slides in the bottom, just like that. And it's one of them, when you plug it in, it comes on. There's no switch. So you just got to line it up. There it goes. Turn on the controller. Oh, and the controller, it uses 2 AA batteries, not 2 AAAs, 2 of the bigger ones, the AA's. Uses 2 of them. Some of these kind of controllers use the 2 AAAs, but this one uses the 2 AA's. Let's put it on here. Now it says on the box it's claiming this great battery life, but we're going to find out about that. It says about 8 minutes. Well, that could, well, 5 minutes is about 8 minutes, so let's see what happens with that. Now on the transmitter, you know, it doesn't have a camera or anything. It just has that little light in the front, so you can know what your orientation is. But the controller, it just basically has your rate and your flip button. There's really not a lot to it. And then to calibrate it, okay, it's down and out to calibrate it. There's the rate. That's the flip. You could hear it do a constant beep, and it's waiting for you to do something. Okay, this button over here is the takeoff button. Now I'm not holding on to the controller, and you can see it's pretty stable. It's just drifting a little smidge. I'm not trimming it or anything like that. There's the yaw speed. That's in the 3rd rate. Let's check the yaw speed in the 1st rate. It's only a little bit slower. Flips are good on it. It's just one of them little fun little indoor flyers, you know. Flies great, man. It's an Eachine. Their stuff's pretty good, you know. You know, for the toy grade stuff, they make pretty good, reliable, you know, kind of like SEMA, you know. Reliable stuff. It's toy grade, but it's reliable. Let's kick it down into the first rate and see how it flies. I guess it's fine. If you want to practice your steering and your orientation, first rate's fine. It's fast enough for in the house. I think this thing would probably be okay outside. I'll wind up taking it outside here. And checking that out eventually. I'll get an outside flight on it because it seems like it would be okay. You know, that's the thing with these quadcopters. When you got the third rate, okay, you have an opportunity to fly them outside. If they don't have the third rate on there, if you take them outside, if they're little like this, and there's any kind of breeze whatsoever, they can get away from you because there's just not enough pitch to fight the wind off because of the weight, you know, so. Yeah, this thing zips around pretty good, guys. Oh yeah, I like it. Oh yeah, flies great. I'm happy with this one. Like I said, I think it was less than 20 bucks. So I'm happy with this, no doubt. I'm sure when I wind up sending this to somebody, they'll like it too, so. Which eventually I will, because I always do. Flips good. Let me see, is that flipping in all the directions? No, it's not. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, it flips in all the directions. I just didn't pull the stick good enough on that other one there, so. I'll put the flight time in there. I don't know if I'll put the whole video in or not, but I will put the flight time in. Uh-oh, there goes the light flashing. So you know what that means, right? That means the battery's dying. Alright. Looks good, man. That's the low battery warning. And there it is. The Eachine, hold on, I can't remember from 5 minutes ago. Eachine E016H. There you go, boys. That's a winner right there. It's a winner. Great flyer, man, great flyer. All right, guys, have a nice day.